Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to upload an Excel sheet on Google Drive and make it editable. Before we get into it, make sure to like this video and do subscribe to our channel for more videos. First thing you need to do is to simply open your Google Drive application on Android. Once you have logged into your Google Drive account, after that you need to tap on any of these folders. For example, I have created this files to folder and I'm gonna import my Excel sheet folder into that particular folder. Click on this plus icon and click on upload, and from here after that click on these three lines at the top of left corner and you can select download. After that, this is my Excel sheet I want to import, so click on this Excel sheet and this Excel sheet is successfully uploaded on my files to folder. And now in order to make it editable, open this Excel sheet. As you can see, I've successfully opened this Excel sheet, and in order to make this editable, double tap on any name and you can change this name to any other name, for example David, and tap on the continue. You can also change the last name, double tap and change this to Bala. After that you can also added the gender here, added the country, and that's how you can make it editable. After making changes, click on this correct icon at the top of left corner and here you go. And now you have successfully added this Excel sheet on Google Drive, and that's how you can upload Excel sheet on Google Drive and make it editable. If this video helped you out, make sure to like this video and do subscribe to our channel for more videos.